Welcome, fellow sleuths of the soul. Prepare to embark on a journey into the enigmatic world of attraction. Today we're unlocking the vault of desire, cracking the codes of compatibility, and uncovering the hidden patterns that shape our love lives. Have you ever pondered why your heart skips a beat for a certain type, while others leave you cold? Wonder no more. Together we'll delve into the science behind attraction styles, decode your secret crush code, and reveal what your preferences whisper about your deepest desires. Are you a mystery magnet, drawn to those with secrets in their eyes? Or a comfort craver, seeking a cozy sanctuary of shared values? Perhaps you're a thrill chaser, always chasing the next adrenaline rush. Or an intellectual matchmaker, craving minds that spark like fireworks. Brace yourselves, detectives, as we navigate the twists and turns of attraction. Prepare to uncover your unique attraction blueprint, decipher the hidden language of love, and master the art of captivating the one who captivates you. 1. The mystery magnet. The allure of the unknown. These individuals are captivated by enigmas. They crave the thrill of the chase, unraveling layers of someone's personality, like peeling back the petals of a delicate rose. Seeking depth and discovery, mystery magnets are drawn to partners who challenge them intellectually and emotionally. They yearn for partners who reveal themselves slowly, offering a tantalizing puzzle to solve. Signs of a mystery magnet. They often express fascination with complex characters in books and movies, enjoy deep conversations that explore hidden truths, and find anticipation more alluring than predictability. 2. The comfort craver. The sanctuary of security. These individuals prioritize emotional safety and a sense of belonging. They seek partners who feel like home, offering warmth, stability, and unwavering support. Building a foundation of trust. Comfort cravers cherish shared values, open communication, and a deep sense of understanding. They find solace in routines, shared traditions, and the comforting rhythm of a predictable love. Signs of a comfort craver. They often express appreciation for quality time over lavish gestures, prioritize emotional intimacy over fleeting excitement, and find joy in the simple everyday moments of connection. 3. The thrill chaser adrenaline junkies of the heart. These individuals crave excitement and novelty. They're drawn to partners who ignite their adventurous spirit and provide a constant dose of thrilling experiences. Living on the edge of passion. Thrill chasers relish spontaneous outings, heart-pounding challenges, and the intoxicating rush of shared adrenaline. They seek partners who keep life unpredictable and exciting, like a captivating roller coaster ride. Signs of a thrill chaser. They often express a zest for life, a natural inclination towards trying new things, and an attraction to partners who challenge them to step outside their comfort zones. 4. The intellectual matchmaker minds on fire, hearts entwined. These individuals prioritize intellectual stimulation and deep conversations. They seek partners who can challenge their beliefs, engage in spirited debates, and expand their worldview. The symphony of shared ideas. Intellectual matchmakers crave witty repartee, insightful discussions, and a connection that transcends the purely physical. They find beauty in shared knowledge, mutual respect, and the discovery of new perspectives. Signs of an intellectual matchmaker. They often express a love for learning, a preference for stimulating conversations over small talk, and an appreciation for partners who can hold their own in a good-natured debate. 5. The Creative Crusader free spirits united. These individuals are drawn to those who see the world with a rainbow-tinted lens. They value artistic expression, unconventional thinking, and shared passions that ignite their creativity. A canvas of unmatched connection. Creative Crusaders crave emotional depth, open-mindedness, and a space where imagination takes flight. They find beauty in nonconformity, shared artistic pursuits, and the freedom to express their authentic selves. Signs of a Creative Crusader. They often express a passion for creative endeavors, an appreciation for unconventional beauty, and a desire for partners who inspire and support their artistic journeys. Remember, detectives, these are just brushstrokes on the canvas of attraction. Your style might be a harmonious blend of these or something entirely unique, a masterpiece waiting to be discovered. Now, grab your analytical magnifying glass and prepare to decipher the fascinating code of your crush. But wait, the plot thickens. What about your crush? Unmasking their attraction code can be like deciphering a secret language. Observe their interests, values, and how they approach life. Do they crave spontaneous hikes amidst breathtaking landscapes? or seek the comfort of a shared book read aloud by a crackling fireplace. Understanding their style is the key to creating a magnetic connection, tailoring your words and actions to resonate with their deepest desires. Let's play a little game, detectives. Imagine you're in a bustling coffee shop. You spot someone across the room, their eyes meet yours and a spark ignites. But who are they? Are they the captivating mystery shrouded in an aura of intrigue? Or the warm comfort radiating a sense of stability and shared values? Perhaps they're a thrill seeker, their eyes twinkling with the promise of adventure, or an intellectual powerhouse, their thoughts dancing in their expressive gaze. Embrace the thrill of the chase, detectives. Analyze their social media, discover their hidden passions, and observe their interactions with others. Are they drawn to adrenaline-pumping challenges or thoughtful philosophical discussions? Do they find solace in routine or crave the excitement of the unknown? Each clue you uncover unlocks another layer of their attraction code, bringing you closer to understanding what makes their heart tick. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all formula for captivating your crush. But by understanding your own attraction style and deciphering theirs, you can create a connection that resonates on a deeper level. Use your strengths, your shared interests, and a dash of creativity to forge a bond that transcends the superficial. So go forth, detectives, and crack the code. Unmask your secret desires, decipher the language of love, and use your newfound knowledge to navigate the captivating dance of attraction. Remember, the Mind Detective is always here to offer a helping hand in your romantic investigations. Until next time, keep exploring, keep analyzing, and keep discovering the beautiful mysteries of the heart. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending mysteries of love and relationships. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep unlocking the secrets of your own attraction code. And remember, in the grand game of love, the most thrilling adventure is the one you embark on with yourself and your true desires.